Hi, I'm Vikaas Shetty, the founder of VAPAC Bio-Plastics. At VAPAC, we innovate and manufacture compostable alternative packaging solutions, where we are trying to replace the LDPE with our innovative compostable plastics, biopolymers. The technology involved with VAPAC is that where we are trying to modify the cornstarch and tapioca starch to get the polymerization, gelatinization, so that it gets in the form of granules and blows up in the form of films. With iCreate, it's been a pleasure being a part of iCreate. We have learned that to understand what customer needs, and you have to work on the customers rather than your audacity of being my product is great. So I think this journey gonna help us to understand what's the requirement of the market, how we're gonna fit in the market, and with the mentorship of iCreate juries and experts, we VAPAC thanks iCreate a lot for giving this opportunity and incubating us and giving us a platform to showcase our innovation and the product to the nation. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.